Monica.
Hey Chris, you can see right behind me is where the president will head onto the airplane to head to Long Beach to go with Governor Newsom to continue that campaign for the recall. But today he just got done talking about his reaction to the Caldor Fire. He was in El Dorado County today with the governor surveying the area and the damages from the Caldor Fire. And he says that his Build Back Better plan is the answer to fixing the wildfire and the climate change issues that we see right here in California. He says that we cannot think small on this, that we have to go big, and that if we go small, it is an answer to disaster if we leave this unfinished. He says to critics who don't believe in his Build Back Better plan that we have the money, we can afford to do this, that it will bring jobs, that it will help save lives, it will keep families in their homes, but also mitigate the climate change that we are seeing in real time right here in California. Earlier today, the president did meet with Cal OES and they showed him, described to him how many homes were destroyed in this Caldor Fire, but also just where we stand as a state when it comes to the wildfires that are raging across our region. The president did say that he has no problem coming up with the $2 trillion in tax, that there's no problem coming up with $2 trillion in tax cuts, but we do need to find ways to afford and to do his Build Back Better plan. He did say and talked about highly of his bipartisan infrastructure bill and how that is a one step forward, but he also needs people to be on his side and to support this Build Back Better plan. But a lot of people came out today. We saw supporters and we saw people who were just not for the president's arrival here. We did see people who were excited to see Joe Biden land here in Sacramento, but we are waiting for him to come back to the tarmac here so that he can take off to Long Beach.